Hello and welcome to the course on how to create an Android app and promote that app like a pro in the app stores. This course is the best of both worlds because you not only learn how to build an Android app, you also learn how to promote the app that you developed and how to market that app to reach number one in the App Store and generate maximum downloads. My name is Val Okafo and I have partnered with Alex Genedinek to bring to you a course that teaches you Android development and teaches you app marketing at the same time. The course goals for this course are, first and foremost, how to program. Make no mistake about it, this course is a programming class. And I don't want you to be scared and say, oh, I haven't done much programming. My goal in this course is to convince you that you can totally do it. It's doable. I believe that mobile app is one of the best way to get started with programming because of the tools that each mobile app platform provides, not just Android, but other platforms. If you have made any attempt to learn programming, you might have noticed a pattern in that most tutorials or most lectures present concepts, different programming concepts in isolation. In programming, we call this Hello World. So you build a little programming application or just enough to demonstrate the concept. The challenge facing most beginner developers is how to bring these concepts together. That is what makes this course unique, because in this course you're not building 10 different Hello World apps that are just nuggets of features in isolation. You are programming one app. You polish that app, increasingly adding complexities and functionalities to that app until it's published to the App Store. And the course does not stop there. Alex will come in and share with you marketing tactics, the method that is working in monetization, and most importantly, how do you treat your app business as a business? Our business at its core is not different from other types of businesses. The key takeaway we want you to take away from this course is how to transform an idea from scratch, just one sentence, and go through the process of making that app a functioning app, turning that idea into a functioning app, and how to promote it. It used to be that developers build app and the users just download it in large numbers. Unfortunately, those days are gone. If you build it, they will not come. So your development effort has to be matched, or at least some time invested in promoting. And then if this is a team, this applies to a solo developer and a team. You cannot just build an app, no matter how amazing it is. It's possible that there is yet another amazing app, or if not, in some cases, better than yours, out there already in the marketplace. So you need to use effective marketing tactics to present your app to your target customers. Okay, in the next video we will look at the structure of this course and then how we have put in a lot of thought in making sure that this course is structured in such a way that it makes a natural progression from beginner concepts to more advanced concepts.